Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to program your GMC Yukon key fob. First, gather all key fobs you intend to program, even existing ones, as they must all be programmed simultaneously. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition to avoid interruptions. You will also need to locate your vehicle's diagnostic link connector, often found beneath the driver's side dashboard, which is crucial for the next steps. To begin, turn your ignition key to the OFF position and then remove it completely. Next, you will need a small jumper wire. Carefully connect this wire between pins 4 and 8 on your vehicle's diagnostic link connector. Once connected, your vehicle's door lock should cycle, indicating that the system has successfully entered programming mode, ready for the next step. Now, with the vehicle in programming mode, take your first key fob. Simultaneously press and hold both the unlock and lock buttons on the fob. Keep holding them down for about 15 seconds. You will hear the door lock cycle once more, confirming that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed. Repeat this precise procedure for every other key fob you wish to program. To exit programming mode, simply remove the jumper wire from the diagnostic link connector. Then, turn your ignition key to the on position. This action will take your vehicle out of programming mode. Finally, it is essential to test each of your newly programmed key fobs. Verify that all buttons, such as lock, unlock, and panic, function correctly and reliably with your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.